Hello guys, happy Friday. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay, and if you're hopping on, say hi. Today Friday, and hope you all are getting ready for the weekend. We have our what is it like science Olympiad competitions for this week. My son's regional competitions are there for tomorrow, so it will be a busy day for us because what is it like it will be like all day, but really miss going into what is it like a in-person tournament for sure, because it's such a fun thing when kids work throughout the year, and you get to meet all over every school, and then also you will be able to have that what is it like a heart pumping thing when they announce the winners and all. So today I thought I will apply lip sense because it's been little long since I applied it in live. So I almost got ready, and then I thought, okay, I will do this a little early, and then I can take the pictures for today. And how are you all? And hope for Texas the weather is getting better and you all got power. And today what I had in mind was I had more of a blue and brown for my eyes. So these are the colors I had it in mind for my lip sense colors. Some of the choices are Glam Doll, Dusty Rose, Star Garnet, and Berry. So because I thought again to keep it matte, maybe Star Garnet alone will not work because it has a little bit of glitters. You won't see it in the tube, but when you wear it you will be able to see it. But rest three are almost matte shades. I'm more leaning towards Dusty Rose, I would say. This is more of a what is it like a it's everything in one color. That's how I call Dusty Rose, because it's part of everything. A little bit of berry, a little bit of red, little bit of maroon, anything we call it. So I'm going to shake the lip sense tube really well, because as you know, since I have so many colors, and sometimes it matters because we store either this way or this way. So what happens is lip sense will separate. When they have pigments like this, obviously it's not a primary color, so it's going to be mixed with something else. So what happens is lip sense starts to separate a little bit. I think you can see it in Glam Doll actually. Do you see? You can see Glam Doll has separated a little bit when I stored. So that's the reason we call it to shake the lip sense tube really well. So what that makes is it makes the pigments to get mixed really well, and that way you will get the actual color payout. Otherwise it will be like the consistency will be little thinner, or sometimes if it had glitters it will settle down at the bottom. So that's the reason we always ask you to shake really well. And what's the plan for you guys? For me, as I said, tomorrow that will go on, and I think that is the one I wanted to share. If you've been there for in the group for a while, you know, when my trip from last Indian trip got cancelled in March after COVID, what I did was I started walking a lot just to occupy time and the frustration. So I'm going to do Glam Doll, and I'm going to do my first layer, and let talk about it again. So if you get a color like this, and hi Nidhi, I wore the blue. If anyone doesn't have this blue, I mean this earring, you cannot what is it like see justice in the picture. Actually it is such a pretty one. So this is Dusty Rose, that's my first layer. And if you're what is it, like if you don't want it to be too bold, always make sure you seal it with glossy, even with one layer. That way you can slowly try to do 2 or 3 layers. And let me come to the point. Okay, meanwhile let it dry. And what I did is, like, I used to walk almost anywhere from 3 miles we started, then we moved to 3, 4, 5, and weekends we even used to do like 8, I think 7 or 8 miles we used to do, me and my husband. And from 21st I have registered for a 90-day walking challenge which I'm going to do. So if you are interested, you guys can join. Last time I posted every day here my walk count. What it does is it gives me an accountability how I show up every day here. Similar way, when I post it, it gives me an accountability. So the as of now it's only 6 days a week. So I'm doing my second layer of Dusty Rose. If you love Glam Doll, or if you love any reds, Dusty Rose is a perfect shade. It is like an in-between shade, but it will go beautifully with our ethnic skin tones actually. I know nobody is going to, what to say, like, immediately jump on. So for me, I would say it is going to be 90 days, but I really want to keep committed. We did almost, I would say, September or October. That's when I was able to walk. Obviously the weather went down, and also we brought cloudy home. So after that I had a long break from October to now, almost February end. I couldn't do any workouts. We just some of our friends, we just started to drink like a gallon of water, just to, what is it, like as a good practice. So what this is going to do is, this is really going to help me to put back to reach my second goal. I think I have always shared about my weight loss goal here. I have always, what is it, like keep failing. We all keep failing because life takes over, but it's good to be back, like you, to start again. So I'm now stuck in a weight where it's not at all moving. So this way I feel like it will help me to move. So the last layer I'm going to do with Dusty Rose and seal it with any gloss of our choice. Here I have overlined a little bit more than my natural lips. What it does is, it likes to make your lips little bigger. So if you want to join, you can always join, like how we are doing the Sanaluk app or anything. I will be posting, and you can post yours too every day. That way we can cheer each other and keep motivated others. I always like to have like a accountability partner, because that way you will stay on track, and when you fail, you have someone to ask for. And when one person does, it motivates the others too. So that's what I am aiming to do this time. Last time I think I posted almost every single day, like and I need to pick a glass. I'm just thinking whether to go with a matte glass, or whether to go with what to say, like any other glass. If you have any suggestion, you can let me know. I'm just looking at it, any glass, which one, because I wanted to stay with the matte look itself. So either we can do any of the matte glosses that will look nice, like a creamer matte, praline matte. I think praline matte should work. We can try, or we can even try the, what's it, like a Bella matte. That is the one I usually wear. We can top it with a matte gloss, because my eye look I have done as a matte look. So I would think using a Vella matte or praline matte or even creamer matte would look good, but creamer matte will make it little lighter. So or else if we want it to stay in the same color, then we can do obviously like a simple matte gloss too. So anything should work with this color. I will just do first of the matte gloss to show. So anytime when you do Lipsons, you need a gloss to seal the color, or else it's going to stick. So you need a gloss to seal your Lipsons. It can be of any gloss, whether you have a matte gloss, a glitter gloss, or a simple gloss, doesn't matter. As long as you have a gloss of your choice, then it should work really well. And so as I was saying, it's going to be for 90 days from February 21st. That's how the program is going to work. I don't think it has any other constraints, but I'm going to try mostly for just committing to walk. It's 10,000 steps every day. I think most of us already achieved that. So it's going to be either that or I think 8-kilometer walk, which is almost 5 miles. So that's what I'm going to aim to do it. Let's see. I know now with cloudy and what is it like our everyday COVID work, home, schooling, everything, and then on top of that, doing that is going to be a little more challenging. But unless you commit to something, it's really hard to push ourselves out. So this is my favorite Bella matte. So you can see it makes it little lighter, because obviously Bella is like a what is it, like a mauvish brown shade. So that's how it's going to be. So let's seal it with Bella matte for today, and let me show what I did for my eye look for today. I will just clean up this mess, because once I do, that makes it easier for me to concentrate a little bit better, because otherwise I feel like I keep looking at it all the time. So I will take all the things out, and today it's a very simple look what I did. If you see as a eye look, it's just with these. What I did is I did garnet as my all over shade. That's the only shade I have used. I know I have showed many times blue with French roast. So any brown should basically work. It can be French roast, it can be rustic brown, it can be garnet. So basically brown and blue complement each other. So since my outfit was a blue outfit, I picked the navy pencil, and what I did was I lined my upper and lower both with my pencil, and I little bit smudged it actually, so that what is it, like it's more of a smoky look, but it's with browns and blues. So it doesn't have to be always black if you need a smoky eye. It can be browns, it can be even a pink, and you can achieve a smokier eye look. For example, if you are using plumberry, Bella, or even what is it, like what other Bella cream, you can use even burgundy with a Bella cream, you can achieve the same look. So it doesn't matter how you are going to pick the shades, it's just the way you achieve it makes it look more smokier. And since it's matte look, I picked mulberry, which is like a very light pale pink shade. I just used it in the inner corner. Anytime when you do an eye look, you can pick a very light shade like a moonbeam shimmer, sandstone pearl shimmer. If it has already shimmer shades, then you can pick something like that and just add it to your inner corner and just blend it in. What it makes is instead of having all at once, this will have a focal point here, making it a little brighter than your rest of the eye look. So that's the one I did. So that is the thing. And for my eyebrows, obviously I used rustic brown. So as I was saying, you can see the difference between garnet and rustic brown. I think garnet is a warm tone, whereas rustic brown is a cool tone. So you can see the brown one is more of a coffee brown, one is more of like a woody rusting brown. So that is the difference. And French roast will be even more darker. I did many eye looks with French roast. That's why I skipped French roast for today, and I picked these two. And I used a natural tan to just to color correct as a base. And anytime when you have natural tan, once you feel like you don't need to bring all the way unless you have very small eye. So for me, if you see, I have a hood, but I have more space here, so I don't go all the way until my eyebrows, then it will be like too much. So if you want to clean up, you can always use a color like this, or even your concealer, and just blend it closer to your eyebrows. That way it looks little clean. And you can see here also, you can always clean it up to make it look as if it's instead of coming down. It should, if the look looks this way, it will make your eyes raised a bit. That way it will have like a nice look to the whole eye look. And today I have used Bella Cream as my blush for today. So that's the one I have used. And so I think I have talked about my challenge, because that way I want myself to be accountable. So that's the one I did. And what else? Yes, and the silk promo, and also the hydration mist. So far, whoever ordered, everyone order got shipped. So you should reach it. I think most of them already got it. Or else I think Saturday you will be receiving most of the packages. So it's all already shipped. I'm glad that except a few routes like Texas and even Minnesota or Washington, it was a little delayed, but everywhere else it was on time. So you should receive the package. And I think I have already sent the videos to 70%. I think I have to catch up just last few orders. I need to do it today. And what else I have catch up? So the hydration mist promo is still there till Sunday. So make sure you grab it. Even today I have used it on top of my makeup just to set it. That way it looks really moisturized before I head out, because today it is still raining here. It is what is it, like, it's still, we have some more days left with the rain. Hopefully tomorrow and a few more days we get sunshine before it rains again. I know with spring coming up, Charlotte will get tons of rain, so any day. So we cannot avoid it. I think I need to find a workaround to, even for my walk, to achieve that. Let's see how it goes. But if you, what is it, like, if you make up your mind, you will find a way. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see. And I think that's all for this week. I pretty much covered everything. Since we had one more live, I already covered all the promos. And thank you so much for whoever ordered. I'm almost halfway done for this promo too. Hope we can finish it off in another 3 days. We still have full Friday left, and then Saturday and Sunday. So if you are looking to stock up, please make sure to grab this, because these products are like you can use it on your kids too. So I know if you have dry patches on knees or even legs, it's very easy to spray on it, and it is going to absorb and make moisturized 88% more within 30 minutes of your time. So which is really, really good. So have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon. And if you have any questions, always make sure to ping me. And if you want me to do any video call, I'm always available over the weekends. We can always do to have your customized skincare or makeup look. Have a wonderful day, guys.